Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I want to show y'all that I pre-ordered the Galaxy S10 Plus, and I'm geeked. Alright, so obviously I got my Galaxy Tab S4 here. I got the S Pen for some reason. I don't know why I brought it, but I brought it anyway. But yeah, so my whole plan before was I was just gonna get the S10, like the one with the one camera, but then I saw the pictures and videos because it looked bigger before, and that's what she said. But when I saw, like, when it actually came out and they announced the phone, I was just like, okay, I'll shut up now. Like, it was like way smaller than I ever thought it would be. So now I'm getting the S10 Plus with the 2 cameras on the front and the 3 in the back. I mean, all of them have 3 cameras on the back except for the S10e. But yeah, so I just got the S10 Plus. Let me show you real quick. This is gonna be dope, guys. Trust me on this. So we got the banner here saying to pre-order it now. So I'm so cool. I know that I got the S10 Plus. Not yet, but I will get it. And this is actually the first time I actually pre-ordered the phone, so that's pretty cool. So before all this, I actually reserved the S10 Plus so I can get it earlier, and I could get the $50 credits on accessories, so that's pretty cool. Because if you look at the Samsung website and try to get some accessories on there, they're still overpriced. It don't even make sense. I mean, they're legit. You're not gonna run into any scam ones or anything, but still, like, it's so overpriced on the Samsung website. But yeah, check this out. So Galaxy S10 Plus 128 gig unlocked. That's what I got right there. I'm trading in one of my S9 Pluses because I actually have another S9 Plus, so I'm gonna still have an S9 Plus when the S10 get there, so I'm gonna compare them or do whatever I do with it. So I'll save $550 with that, and I'm getting the Galaxy Buds with it. So yeah, I got the Gear Icon next. I don't got them on me right now, but I have the Gear Icon next, so I'll compare them when they get there and all that. You already know about that. You know how I do with the channel, but let me scroll down some more. You can see I actually ordered it before, but actually canceled that, and that's because the Galaxy Buds weren't in that order. I think I like got rid of it on accident, and then I just ordered it again. So now I got the Galaxy Buds coming, and they're in white, which kind of sucks, but I got the white phone, so I guess that's why they sent me the white earbuds. But I wish we could choose because I like the black ones better because they blend in better. But I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I'm excited for these, especially because I heard they're gonna be better. They're gonna wireless charge on the back of the phone and on their other wireless chargers, which I'm gonna have to get one. I got a wireless charger, but it's not really that great, so I'm gonna get the wireless charger dual probably. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. So I pre-ordered my S10 Plus, man. I'm so excited for this, and I got my 900 points in Samsung points, so I'm liking that too. Really feeling that, Samsung. I saw your presentation and all that. Y'all got some good things coming out, man. I'm impressed. Got the Galaxy Watch Active, which was just like, okay. The Galaxy Fit, I might buy that because I got the Gear Fit 2 right now. And yeah, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all that I got the S10 Plus. You probably saw my Instagram if you follow me there, which you should. Follow me at eCentech. You missing out. But yeah, I got the S10 Plus. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that before I close out, but I'm gonna just close out now because I already told y'all and all that. So that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Are you excited for this like I am? Let me know in the comments below. But I can get it on March 8th. So I don't know why it says March 15th, but I'm gonna get it March 8th and I'm excited. So I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace out.